My classmate. I have many classmates, but today I want to tell you about one special classmate. His name is Min. Min is my classmate in grade 10. We study together in the same class every day. Min is friendly, smart, and helpful. He always makes me and others feel happy. Min is 16 years old, just like me. He has short black hair and wears glasses. He is not very tall, but he is always full of energy. He likes to smile, and he has a very kind face. Many teachers like him because he is polite and respectful. Every morning, Min comes to class early. He always says hello to the teachers and his friends. He likes to sit in the second row near the window. That is his favorite spot because he loves the fresh air. He keeps his books neat and takes good notes in class. Min is very good at math and English. He often helps me when I have questions. If I don't understand something, he explains it to me in a simple way. He is patient and never gets angry. I feel lucky to have a classmate like him. We often work in the same group during class projects. Min has great ideas. He listens to everyone and helps the group finish the work on time. He always says, "Let's do our best together." That makes us feel strong as a team. At break time, Min and I like to talk or play games. Sometimes we play chess. He is very good at chess and always wins, but he teaches me how to play better. We also laugh a lot and talk about cartoons or school stories. Min loves reading. He often goes to the library after school. He says reading helps him learn more about the world. He also borrows English books to improve his language skills. Min wants to become a teacher in the future. I think he will be a great teacher one day. On weekends, Min likes to play football with his neighborhood friends. He also helps his parents at home. He washes dishes, cleans the house, and sometimes cooks simple meals. He is a good son and a responsible person. Last month, our school had a singing contest. Min joined and sang an English song. Everyone clapped for him. His voice was clear and soft. After the contest, many students said he was brave and talented. I was very proud of him. Sometimes Min also helps our teachers. He carries books to the teacher's room or helps set up the board in the morning. He never complains. He says helping others makes him feel happy. Even though Min is a good student, he is not proud or boastful. He is always humble. When someone says, "Good job, Min," he just smiles and says, "Thank you." Min also encourages others. When someone gets a low score, he says, "Don't worry, you can try again." When someone is sad, he tries to make them laugh. He is a good friend to everyone. I remember one time when I was sick and couldn't go to school. Min sent me the notes and told me what the teacher said in class. He even called me in the evening to help me understand the lesson. I was so thankful for that. Min's favorite subject is English. He likes to speak English and learn new words. Sometimes we practice speaking English together. He helps me with pronunciation and grammar. We dream of traveling abroad together one day. Min's dream is to study at a university and become an English teacher. He wants to help children learn and grow. He says teaching is a meaningful job. I believe he will reach his dream because he works hard and cares for others. We will graduate in 2 years, but I hope our friendship will last forever. Even if we go to different schools or cities, I will always remember my classmate Min. He has taught me not just school subjects, but also kindness, teamwork, and honesty. Min is not only my classmate, he is also my good friend. I am lucky to have someone like him in my class. He makes school life more fun and meaningful. Every student should have a classmate like Min. Min is not only a good student, but he is also a great person in everyday life. He has many good habits that I really admire. For example, Min is very organized. He always keeps his books and school bag clean. Every Sunday, he arranges his books for the next week and makes sure he has everything ready. He believes that being organized helps him study better and saves time. Min is also a very honest person. One day, he found a wallet on the schoolyard. Instead of keeping it, he brought it to the school office. The wallet had money and a student card inside. The teacher found the owner of the wallet and thanked Min for his honesty. Everyone in our class was proud of him. Sometimes Min teaches other students after class. If someone doesn't understand the lesson, they ask Min for help. He never says no. He gives his time and energy to help others. He says, "If I can help someone learn, I feel happy inside." Min is truly a caring classmate. Min is also good at drawing. In art class, his pictures are always beautiful. He likes to draw nature, houses, and sometimes cartoons. One time, our teacher asked the class to draw something about my dream. Min drew a big classroom with happy students and a smiling teacher. It was his dream of becoming a teacher. Everyone clapped for him. On special days like Teacher's Day or school festivals, Min helps decorate the classroom. He cuts paper flowers, puts up banners, and arranges chairs and tables. He has a good eye for design and color. He says he wants our class to look cheerful and beautiful for our teachers. Min also loves music. He listens to music when he is free, especially soft and relaxing songs. Sometimes he brings his guitar to school on music day. He plays simple songs, and we all sing along. Those are fun and happy moments for our class. When it rains, Min shares his umbrella with classmates who forget theirs. I remember one day I forgot my umbrella, and it rained heavily. Min saw me waiting at the school gate and said, "Let's walk together." We both got a little wet, but we laughed and talked the whole way home. That small act made me feel very warm inside. Min is also very polite. He always says, "Thank you," "Sorry," and "Please." He greets teachers and school staff with a smile. He never shouts or speaks rudely. He believes that using kind words can make life better for everyone. Our class had a small party last semester to celebrate good grades. Min helped plan the party. He brought snacks from home, helped clean the room, and even made a thank you speech for our teacher. He said, "We are like a family in this classroom, and I am happy to be part of it." That touched everyone's heart. Min's family is not very rich, but he never complains. He studies hard and respects his parents. He often says, "My parents work hard, so I want to study well to make them proud." On holidays, Min doesn't go on trips. He stays at home, helps with the housework, and reads books. He finds joy in simple things. Sometimes Min faces problems too. He gets tired or stressed before big exams, but he never gives up. He makes a plan, studies step by step, and stays calm. He tells us, "Worrying won't help, but working hard will." His attitude inspires me to be strong in hard times. Min also gives good advice. When I feel sad or confused, I talk to him. He listens quietly and gives honest advice. He says, "Everything will be okay. Just take it slow." He never judges others. That makes people feel safe when talking to him. One day, our teacher gave us a team assignment. Our group didn't work well at first. Some students argued. Min stayed calm and said, "Let's listen to each other and work as a team." His words helped us solve the problem. We finished the work on time and got a good grade. That day, I saw how Min could lead people with kindness. In physical education class, Min may not be the strongest, but he always tries his best. He cheers for others and never makes fun of anyone who is slow. He believes everyone has their own strengths. "We are all good at something," he says. During the school year, we also went on a field trip to a museum. I sat next to Min on the bus. We talked, sang songs, and shared snacks. He took many pictures and later printed them for our class to keep as memories. Min always thinks of others. Min also joins school activities like cleaning the schoolyard, planting trees, and writing for the school newspaper. He likes to make the school a better place. The teachers often say, "Min is a role model for other students." What I love most about Min is that he never gives up on people. If someone makes a mistake, Min doesn't get angry. He gives them a second chance. He says, "Everyone can learn and grow." That makes him a very special friend. I feel lucky to sit next to Min in class. He makes me feel happy and strong. We help each other study and support each other every day. When I make a mistake, he doesn't laugh. He helps me learn from it. When I do something well, he is the first to say, "Good job." One day, I asked Min, "Why are you always so kind and helpful?" He smiled and said, "Because the world needs more kindness. If we are kind, others will be too." Those words touched my heart. Every school day becomes more fun and meaningful when I have a good classmate like Min. He is more than just someone I study with. He makes the class feel like home. Min is always there to help, to laugh, and to support others. In this part, I will tell you more about our time together, how Min helps the whole class, and why he is so important to all of us. One of the best things about Min is that he brings people together. In our class, sometimes students form small groups or only talk to their close friends, but Min is different. He talks to everyone. He says hi to quiet students and always invites others to join group games or activities. He never lets anyone feel lonely. He believes that everyone should feel welcome in class. There was a new student who joined our class in the middle of the school year. He was shy and didn't know anyone. Min was the first person to talk to him. He showed him around the school, shared his books, and helped him feel at home. Thanks to Min, that student made many friends and now feels happy in our class. Min also loves working on class projects. Whenever there is a group project, Min helps plan everything. He gives each person a task and makes sure everyone has a chance to speak and share ideas. He says, "Teamwork is not about being perfect, it's about helping each other." His words always encourage us to try our best. Sometimes our class has small problems. Maybe someone forgets their homework, or two students argue. Min is very calm in those moments. He listens to both sides and tries to solve the problem fairly. He never picks sides or gets angry. He always says, "Let's find a way to fix this together." That makes people respect him. Min is also very creative. Last month we had to make posters for a science fair. Min drew a beautiful diagram and added colorful labels and pictures. Our group's poster got a lot of attention from other students and even the teachers. Min said, "It's fun to make learning beautiful." Besides schoolwork, Min is also very active in class events. On special days like Mid-Autumn Festival or Tet, Min helps plan fun games and decorate the classroom. He always brings new ideas. Once, he made a paper lantern with our class name on it. Everyone loved it, and we hung it in the classroom for many days. Min is also good at telling stories. At lunchtime or after class, he sometimes tells funny stories or shares what he read in books. His stories make everyone laugh and feel happy. He uses simple words, but he tells them with joy and emotion. He says, "Stories bring us together." In our class, we sometimes have group reading or speaking activities. Min always joins with a big smile. He listens carefully when others speak and claps when they finish. When it's his turn, he speaks clearly and confidently. Even students who are afraid to speak feel brave when Min supports them. Our teacher once said, "Min is a quiet leader." That means he leads not by shouting or ordering people, but by being kind, helpful, and thoughtful. He shows by example. When we see Min working hard, we also want to work hard. When we see him helping others, we want to help too. During exam season, everyone gets nervous, but Min always stays calm. He studies with a clear plan. He takes breaks, eats well, and sleeps on time. He says, health is also important. He reminds us not to stay up too late and to take care of ourselves. One time, I forgot my homework at home and felt very scared. Min noticed I was upset and said, "It's okay, just tell the teacher the truth. Mistakes happen." His words helped me feel less afraid. I followed his advice, and the teacher understood. I learned from that mistake, and I thanked Min for being there for me. Min is also very kind to teachers. On Teacher's Day, he made a handmade card and asked everyone to sign it. He wrote kind words and decorated it beautifully. Our teacher was very touched and said it was one of the best gifts she had received. Min always remembers to thank people who help him. On days when someone feels sick or sad, Min is the first to notice. He brings them water or helps them carry their bag. He always checks if they are okay. One time, a classmate fell during recess. Min helped him stand up and took him to the nurse. He stayed with him until the teacher came. Min's kindness is not only in school. He also joins charity events. Last year, he joined a group to visit children in need. He helped give out books and toys. He said, "Even small help can make someone smile." Min wants to make the world a better place. Min loves learning new things. He asks questions in class and always wants to understand deeply. He says, "Learning is a journey, and I enjoy the ride." He also learns outside of school. He watches videos, reads books, and sometimes asks the teacher extra questions. Min also cares about the environment. He never throws trash on the ground. He recycles paper and tells others to save water and electricity. He says, "If we love our planet, we must protect it." Min is more than just a classmate. He is like a brother and a good example. He shows me how to be a better student, a better friend, and a better person. I hope we will stay friends for a long time. Even if one day we go to different schools, I will never forget Min. He is part of my school life, and I will always remember his smile, his help, and his kind heart. He has made my school days happier and more meaningful.